Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. It's your girl Kenya, and today, as you can tell by the title, I will be bleaching my hair. So yeah, without any explanation, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. So this is what I got. And I picked up the 30 volume developer. So I got me a 8-ounce of the BW2 and a 30 of the pure white, what is it called? The Creme developer. Gonna put these together and get to work. I got me some gloves. So I might as well just use this container because I'm not gonna save it. What's the point of saving it? So this is what it looks like. You open up the thing. That's a little thing. You open it and it's powder in here. And you're supposed to... I had to go get my mask because I have really bad allergies, and this powder, like, it seems to like flare up. As soon as you put it in there, you see that smoke? I don't know if y'all can see that smoke, but it goes up. So I had to put this over before I start tripping. I said little at a time, but look what I'm doing. It's coming out slow, y'all. That's why I did that. Let me get something to mix with. Yeah. But my allergies, I told y'all, my allergies are really bad, okay? And this junk is really strong. I had to take a break as I was mixing it, step outside, open the door and everything, let some of that go out, and then come back in. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Once I apply this, I'm gonna open the door and do the same thing. But for right now, I don't want my door open. So, finished mixing it. Everything is in here. It has a consistency of like whipped cream, like really thick whipped cream. So yeah, that's what I got so far. Now I'm about to go ahead and section my hair into 4. Now I'm trying to decide, do I want to, how far up I want to go. And I'm going to go ahead and also get some petroleum jelly to put around my skin, just in case the bleach damage my skin. So I'll be back. And I'm going to put some of this on my skin, just in case, like when my hair falls, it may fall on my skin. And yeah, I don't know what it's going to do to my skin. So I want to be, you know, treat it like you getting a perm. Cover up some ears, all that, because my hair, it's like a medium length or whatever length you want to call this. I don't know. Ew, look at this. Is it supposed to look like this? Like, I don't know. It's gonna have to fall down on my... I want to do it in groups, because it's gonna take too long if I was to do it one by one. But I want to make sure it's not patchy. I don't have a brush. I think brushes, that take way too long. I don't want it to be patchy. This junk is strong. Alright guys, I'm about to go wash this off. This is what it's looking like right now. It does not look even, but I'm about to go wash this off because it looks bright. Alright, all these bags is under my eye. That's from me crying because I saw my hair and yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Let me look at myself. Okay guys, it's been about a week since I bleached my hair and now I'm about to color it. I just needed a break. I needed a break. I needed time to catch myself and I just was like, whatever. So since then I just retwist my hair with a rope twist method. You guys have seen me do that before. If you haven't, check out the video right here in the cards to show you basically how I rope twist my hair and just basically get it to this curly twist out that you see. My hair is it's just thrown up, whatever, don't worry about it. I just want it off my back. So this is what it looks like. It would have been looking like about a week, probably week and a half now that I bleached it. So I'm about to color it. Yeah, this is the color while it was dry. I think you guys saw it when it was wet, but this is what it looks like dried. It's so uneven, okay? So uneven. Some of the spots, my scalp, you can see like it's just a lot going on, and that's the reason why I'm gonna color it. I kind of like the whole two tones and the color that's coming off. Honestly, it's like when you look in the mirror, it's like it really don't look that bad. Because the colors, two-tone colors, I always like the little two-tone color thing with the highlights and stuff. Like, cute. I like the brown. I like the honey blonde. But when you go to my scalp, it's what's, like, I can't get away with. Like, my hair, it's not going to grow out fast enough to cover up those mistakes. And I am not going to bleach it again. Like, that's probably the worst thing that I can do. Look at it. You see all that? Yeah, so that's why I'm gonna color it to cover that up. My roots, I probably should have left my roots. I know a lot of you probably saying that right now. You should have just left it black. Like, you should have just left your roots black. But guess what? I can't turn back the hands of time. Only could go forward. So that's what we're about to do right now. We're about to just go forward. I went ahead and untwist everything. So now, look at that, missed one. I told this girl. So I got me 3 boxes of her and yep, because I want to make sure I don't miss a thing. I don't want to run out of anything. If I have one extra box left, then oh well, that's perfect, but I don't want to miss anything. So I'm going to go through I'm thinking like, let me just go through the ends first and then go to the root. Because I just don't want any mistakes this time. So go through the ends, then go up to the root, let it process, and wash it out. That's the plan. This time I split it into 6. I didn't want to make no mistakes, so I got it into 6 parts. I got 2 right here, 2 here, and 2 here. Okay, I did this. Section. It's coming off more like an orange than anything. But this is what I'm looking like. I actually used all 3 boxes, y'all. All 3 boxes. So I'm so glad I picked up that last one at the last minute. I only had 2 at first, and I picked up the last one yesterday because I was like, my conscience telling me pick up another one. Let me turn around so y'all can see what the back looking like. Let me see what the back looking like. I honestly don't know. I did these little babies back here, so hopefully they get turned too. So, yeah, I know it's like messy. I can see it all right here. But so far, I'm loving the color. I've had, for those who don't know, I've had red before. It's not my first time having red, so I'm not like, oh my God, you know, I've had red before. I've even had brighter red than this before, so yeah. And you know, it's a great chance when I wash this out, it may not even be this bright. I don't care as long as a nice even color. And red is cute. It's summertime coming up, so yeah. This is what I got. I already knew this side was gonna be a little bit darker because it was, you know, dark. But let's see. My hair is orange. It's orange. Orange. This is how you get your hair orange, guys. This is how. The ones that wasn't so bad is the ones, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some treatment in my hair, and I'll be back and show y'all what it looks like when it's dry and after I retwist and everything. So I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like after that. Let me just show y'all the back again. What it looks like. All right, y'all, I'm finally finished. This is the next day. I literally just, my scarf. This is what it looks like dried. My hair has grown. My hair has really grown. So this is the color. Of course, the roots is still gonna be brighter. So my roots are still brighter, but whatever. And this is the back. I like the color. I like it. It is what it is. It's gonna be like this for a while. So comment down below what you think. I already know you guys have a ton of opinions, but that's what the comment box is for. Hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that subscribe button so you won't miss my next decision, whatever I do. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Toodles.